Hi, my name's Amy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous new Range Rover Sport SE. This has a petrol engine and an automatic gearbox. This model is finished in a gorgeous black and has chrome accents over its body that tie in nicely. As you can see, you have an electric tailgate with this model. It's easily got enough storage space to fit your personal items, but you also have the option to remove your parcel shelf or flatten your seats to give you that extra space when required. You could easily fit a pushchair or even a set of golf clubs in there. You have LED headlamps with our signature daytime running lights to give it that modern exterior. You also have power folding wing mirrors for when you unlock or lock your vehicle. This feature is also used on your door handles to give that sleek finish. You also have privacy glass towards the back of your vehicle. Inside your vehicle, you're greeted with beautiful ebony leather on your steering wheel and throughout the interior. Here you will also see your two multifunctional digital touchscreens, and panning upwards you have a good view of your large panoramic roof. Moving onwards to your 20-way electric heated and ventilated memory front seats that are fully adjustable to suit your needs for every drive. Hopping into the back of your vehicle, you will see you have the optional heated seats in the rear. These are fully adjustable for both your passengers on their door. And you have a central armrest for maximum comfort, along with twin cup holders and a storage compartment. Here you'll see a better view of your fully adjustable memory seats to ensure maximum comfort for every drive, along with your electrical wing mirrors and windows. The Meridian surround sound system to give you the highest quality listening experience. And here you'll see your large panoramic roof, especially desirable on those sunnier days, where you can let all the light in your vehicle to give it a more open feel. At the centre of your vehicle you will find a large touchscreen display, along with a wireless pad to charge your phone, your dual climate control for both driver and passenger. Just below you will see that you have access to twin cup holders as well as a storage compartment. And lifting up your centre armrest, you'll see another large storage compartment. On your main touchscreen display, you can access things such as navigation, media, crucial wheel information, or even the weather. Here you can see I can also access the seats to adjust the headrest, bolsters, lumbar or cushion of the vehicle, along with the heated seats for either the front or the rear for both driver and passenger to ensure maximum comfort for every journey. Here you can also access your dual climate control, once again for both driver and passenger, to ensure that everyone's needs are met. And as you can see, there are many more multifunctional options, such as connecting your phone via Bluetooth to make those hands-free calls effortless, or maybe you'd just like to access your favourite radio station. Just below is your dual climate control, where you can change the temperature for your vehicle for both driver and passenger. Here you can access your heated seats again, and you can also adjust the airflow. This vehicle has terrain response. This is displayed on your main screen. And as you can see, there are multiple options, making this vehicle perfect for any driving conditions you may encounter, making every journey stress-free. On your full leather steering wheel, you can see there are more multifunctional controls at just a touch, such as making or taking those hands-free calls, adjusting the volume, limiting your speed with cruise control, or even a heated steering wheel, desirable in those cold winter months.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year warranty along with roadside assistance. Please call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online.